Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in permutations and combination, and this is 2A fifth chapter. Let us try to solve 4 more questions in this class from question number 17 to 20. Okay? Okay. See, the question is like earlier question only, but here this is what we can say hanging item like that. Let us get to this all experiences and all. Okay? And see, okay, let me study first question and we will analyze. The number of different ways of preparing a garland, necklace, whatever it may be, hanging items. That means probability you have to divide by 2. Garland using 6 distinct white roses and 5 distinct red roses. Such that no 2 red roses come together. That means these 5 red roses should not come together. Side by side should not be there. That means 6 white roses you keep, 6 gaps you keep. Among 6 gaps you keep these 5 distinct red roses like what? See, red rose, white rose, all the 6 red roses are equal? No. Distinct means what? Every rose is different. Even though both red color only, white color only, white roses are 6 different, red color roses are 5 different. Like that we have to take. That is the probability we have to take such that. Okay. See, like earlier question only. See, first of all, you observe carefully, always they will ask you less number only should not sit together like. They will not ask this as per our experience. Okay? That is why first you do this one. 6 white roses, permutation ways. 6 white roses permutation or ways is equal to circular 6 minus 1 factorial. Is it correct? No, because garland or what we can say necklace and all hanging items divided by 2 also you have to take. Okay? Now this 6 white roses will give 6 spaces for 5 red roses. Write down. 6 white roses leaves 6 empty spaces. Empty spaces for 5 red roses. Okay? Now permutation of this you take. Permutation of red rose or red roses is equal to 6 spaces are there, 5 roses are there. 6p5, that is equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 1 5 factorial, 1 factorial, that is equal to 6 factorial. Okay? Now resultant factorial you take. This shall I take 5 factorial by 2 directly. Why? Because 6 minus 1 means 5 factorial. Resultant factorial, resultant number of ways. Resultant number of ways, that means final, is equal to, see, 5 factorial into 6 factorial by 2. See, for this answer they have given full number. That is why we will do calculation. Okay? 4 is 24 into 5. Let me write. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into and 5 into 4 into 3. Why? 2 got cancelled like you think. 2 got cancelled. Okay? Let us do. See, 30, 24. 720 into 20, 60. Okay? Okay. 0 is equal 6 0 0. 6 2s are 12. 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43. 43,200. 43,200. Okay? They have given answer like this only. 43,200. You take like this only. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question. If n and r are integers such that r is equal to 1 or greater than 1 but less than n or equal to n, then n into c in bracket n minus 1 comma r minus 1 is how much like they are asking. You see, what is this? This meaning c into n minus r. R as I am writing, you see. Okay, see, n into c n minus 1 comma r minus 1 is equal to this notation n into, okay, This notation n minus 1 c r minus 1. That means n minus 1 c r minus 1. This is the meaning. Okay, that is equal to n into, you see, NCR formula. What is the formula NCR? Shall I write here? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. Here also you see n factorial means here n is what? N minus 1. N minus 1 factorial by r factorial. R factorial means r minus 1 factorial. N minus r minus 1. N minus 1 minus r plus 1 it will be factorial. Okay. This I am removing. This is formula. Okay. Now come back again. See here minus 1 plus 1 going to get cancelled out. That means this is going to happen like this. You see n into n minus 1 factorial. Shall I write n factorial? N into n minus 1 factorial, we can write n factorial. Because see n minus 1 factorial, but n if you multiply n factorial it is going to become. Okay, divide it by, see r minus factorial, shall I write r factorial by r? Definitely I can write. You see r factorial is equal to r into r minus 1 into something it goes, but I will stop here only. Okay, r factorial is equal to r into r minus 1. Okay, now you see r factorial is there here. Okay, sorry, r minus 1 factorial. R minus 1 factorial is there here. R minus 1 factorial means, shall I take like this? R going to get cancelled, r minus 1 only will come. That means what I can write, see r minus 1 factorial if it is there, I will write this as, I will write that as r factorial by r. Why? Because this r factorial is going to become r into r minus 1 factorial by r. R are going to get cancelled. Again r minus 1 only going to come here. Okay. Understand? Okay. Now see r minus 1 factorial. How can I write r factorial? But r I am going to write here. Okay. Division means like this it will go. This is going to become n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. That is equal to. See here what will happen. R I am taking separate. See n factorial by r into n minus r factorial. This is NCR formula, that's all. That means r into NCR, that is equal to r into C n comma r. Understand the logic? Okay, earlier n minus 1 r minus 1 has come, n was there, but n has become r. See how to write n minus 1 c r minus 1 n c r. Understand? Let us go for next question. Okay, see 19th question. If n and r are positive integers such that r is less than n, then NCR plus NCR minus 1 is how much, like they are asking. See here, answer is n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR has to come. Okay, I am writing here. N plus 1 CR has to come. Okay, answers, so several answers they have given. One answer is this one. I am not writing all these answers. Okay, we will prove it. Now observe carefully how we are going to prove it. Okay, see NCR means what? Implies I am keeping. Okay, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial plus, again here you see n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Why? N minus of r minus 1 means r will be minus, 1 will be plus. Okay, let us proceed. See here what will happen. N factorial I am taking common outside. Okay, answer n plus 1 CR has to come. This it will come, no problem. N factorial numerator I have taken common. Okay, 1 divided by r factorial n minus r factorial plus, you see here, this I want to take n plus 1 minus r factorial. 1 by r minus 1 factorial n plus 1 minus r factorial. Okay. See, LCM will be normally bigger, we will take r minus 1 is smaller, r is bigger here, and n minus r is smaller, n plus 1 minus r is bigger. Take that. That is equal to n factorial into, see what LCM I am taking, r factorial is bigger, n plus 1 minus r factorial is bigger. Okay. Naturally what will be there? R factorial is there but n minus r is there. That means n plus 1 minus r times it goes. Okay? Okay. Write down. N plus 1 minus r. Plus is there. Okay? You keep plus. Here n plus 1 minus r is there but r minus 1 is there. That means r times it goes. R. Okay? Then you see minus r plus r you cancel out, that is equal to n factorial into n plus 1 by r factorial n plus 1 minus r factorial. Okay? Now you tell me n plus 1 into n factorial means what? N plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial by r factorial. Okay? N plus 1 minus r factorial. Okay, now imagine here n plus 1 is n, like n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial means this is NCR. Write down. That means NCR means here n is n plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. That means this you can take like a formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Okay? NCR is standard, NCR minus 1 you minus and add, then 1 plus numerator, not numerator, what we can say here, n plus 1 will come, r will come. This is formula line. Take this, we will go for next question. Okay, see here, question number 20. NPR is equal to 840, NCR is equal to 35 they have given, they have not given n value or r value. You have to find n value. Okay? And 4 options they have given. You can utilize these options. Why? Because see, in critical condition you can utilize options. Okay? Okay, see, first of all let us write a formula for NCR and NPR. You see, NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. If NPR is equal to simply n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay? You see now, r factorial is equal to, see how I am writing, r factorial is equal to, okay, this NCR divided by n factorial by, sorry, r factorial is equal to NPR divided by NCR. NPR divided by NCR. Why? Because this goes numerator, this comes denominator. Denominator NCR. Okay? That means see, NPR is how much? 840. 840 divided by 35. R factorial this is. See, 5 sevens, 5 1, 34, 5 6, 40, 5 8, 7 1s, 7 2s, 14, 7 4s, 28. That means see, R factorial is equal to 24. How to find R factorial 24 means how to find R. If you find R, then you can find this also. Okay, see, R factorial 24 implies you take from 1 onwards, 1 into 2, 2, into 3, 6, into 4, 24. That means see, implies R is equal to 4. 4 factorial. Normally up to 5, 6 factorials you have to remember. Okay, 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 24, 5 factorial 24 into 5. So like that you have to remember. Okay. Let us go. 120, 720, like that. Okay. Now R you have got. Once again you write. You see, NPR is equal to 840 implies NP4 is equal to 840. Now go for 7. Next, at n is equal to 7 implies, you see, 7p4 is equal to, whether shall it comes to 840 or not, we will see. Okay, 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 factorial, 3 factorial, that is equal to, you see, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. 3 factorial, 3 factorial will cancel out. That means you see 7 6 are 42 into 5 4 are 20. 4 8 840. Understand? Now the answer is N7. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, now we do one thing. We will close this class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.